If you want to share a SurveyMonkey link quickly and correctly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest way to publish your survey and copy a shareable link so you can send it to respondents in just a few clicks. This is a simple process, and once you know it, you can use it anytime you need to distribute a survey by email, chat, or social media. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides like this. Let's get started. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're on the SurveyMonkey dashboard, look for the survey you want to share. If you already have one created, click on that survey to open it. This is important because you need to be inside the specific survey before you can generate a shareable link. After opening the survey, the next step is to publish it. Look for the Publish Survey option and click on it. Publishing makes your survey active and prepares it for distribution. If your survey is not published, the sharing options may not work the way you expect, so this step is essential before sending out the link. Once your survey is published, you'll move into the sharing or collector area. Here, you should see an option that says copy and share it. Click that option to generate the link. SurveyMonkey will create a shareable survey URL that you can copy and send to your audience. This link is what people will use to access and complete your survey. Now that the link is copied, you can paste it anywhere you want. You can drop it into an email, a text message, a Slack channel, a social post, or even embed it into a website message. Before sending it out, it's always a good idea to test the link yourself, just to make sure it opens the correct survey and works the way you want. If you need to make changes later, you can return to SurveyMonkey, update your survey, and generate or manage your sharing options from the same area. That makes it easy to keep everything organized and ready to send whenever you need it. The main thing to remember is open your survey, publish it, and then use the copy and share option to grab your link. And that's how to share a SurveyMonkey link in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.